Check out our newest feature release. We've now created the ability to disable the Google Organic Booking Calendar. Our CRM introduces the ability to disable that new Google Organic Booking with a simple toggle within the calendar settings. Why it matters and how this is going to help you. With this feature update, you now have the flexibility to decide whether to display services for booking on Google My Business. This feature is also going to allow you to disable Google Organic Booking. Businesses can now tailor their online offerings and choose alternative channels for service discovery. This is going to ensure that services are only accessible through their specifically preferred channels. So let's go ahead and access settings within your CRM. And now find calendars on the left-hand settings navigation menu. From there, I want you to make sure you're within the calendars area of your upper navigation. Once you're there, click on Connections. After you've clicked on Connections in that upper navigation menu, you're going to go ahead and click on Account Connections. Now from there, I'm going to show you exactly how to disable Google Organic Bookings. So first, you're going to make sure that you are under the Connections area, and you're going to select the Organic Booking Redirect link. Now go ahead and toggle that on in the right-hand side, fill in those details, and go ahead and click Upload. Here are a bunch of business verticals that are applicable for this feature. I'm going to pause for a moment so that you can just look at these. As you can see, there are a lot of areas that are really solid for utilizing the Google Booking Calendar through Google My Business Profile. This is really strong in the areas of beauty, wellness and fitness, home services, vehicle, personal care, pet care, daycare, all different types of care, education, and professional services like being a lawyer, real estate agency, photography studio, accountant, or even a wedding venue. It's currently not available for retail or medical at this time, and that's actually a restriction from Google Business Profile directly. And what's great is if you are utilizing Google Business Profile, you are going to see this great book online in your profile, and people will be able to go ahead and schedule you by simply clicking that link and utilizing the calendar that you do have built in with our CRM. But to be able to use this service, you are required to have an active business profile with Google Business Profile. So make sure you've got that set up. And of course, when you're linking this calendar through Google Business Profile, you can actually link that with any of your calendars within the CRM. Go ahead and click on those service tabs and see exactly what you want to link up. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.